Introduction to Automated Tables of Contents.
Creating a table of contents in Microsoft Word can save time and keep your documents organized. Instead of manually listing sections, Word lets you generate and update a table of contents automatically. This tutorial walks you through the steps to set up, customize, and refresh your table of contents with ease.
Using heading styles for organization.
The first heading is key to an automated table of contents. Start by selecting text that serves as titles or section headers. Apply heading 1 for main sections and heading 2 for subsections. You'll find these styles on the Home tab. Consistent use of headings allows Word to recognize and structure your content automatically.
Inserting the table of contents.
Once you've applied heading styles, it's time to insert your table of contents. Click where you want your table to appear, usually at the start of the document. Go to the References tab and select Table of Contents. Choose a built-in style, and Word will instantly generate a table based on your headings.
Updating the table of contents.
As you add or modify content, your table of contents may need updates. Simply click on the table and choose Update Table. You'll be prompted to update page numbers only or the entire table to reflect new or changed headings. This ensures your table of contents remains accurate and up to date.
Customizing the table of contents.
Want to personalize your table of contents? Use the Table of Contents command on the References tab to access options. Customize which heading levels are shown, adjust formatting, or choose a different style. You can even modify fonts and spacing to match your document's design, making your table both functional and visually appealing.
Conclusion and tips.
Automated tables of contents help keep your Word documents well organized with minimal effort. Always use heading styles for clarity and make regular updates as you write. With just a few clicks, you can create a professional, easy-to-navigate document that impresses readers and saves you time.